Quick tomato pasta recipe. Title: Preparing quick and tasty tomato pasta. Hello, pasta lovers. Today, we will learn how to prepare a quick and tasty tomato pasta. This dish is a staple for those who love Italian cuisine and is very simple to make. Let's start cooking. Ingredients: 200 grams of pasta, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, salt to taste, grated Parmesan cheese for serving, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. 2. In a pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 3. Add the minced garlic to the pan and sauté for about 1 minute or until fragrant. 4. Pour the tomato sauce into the pan and bring to a simmer. 5. Season the sauce with salt to taste. 6. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and toss to coat. 7. Serve the pasta with grated Parmesan cheese and garnish with fresh basil leaves. 8. Enjoy your quick and tasty tomato pasta.